Hello everybody, this is Danny
and Wanda
from Deep South Homestead. Wanda just called me in and told me that Tommy Alderman and Patty had asked us to do a particular video, and she said it'll be a surprise to you. So she told me I had to dress a certain way, had to put my sweats on and take my shoes and socks off, and guess I'm fixing to find out what we're doing.
We're going to be doing some couples yoga moves.
What?
And I have pictures over here, and we're going to look at them. We're going to do the move, and then we're putting them up for you to see.
So that's what that is. I didn't know what she was looking at over there. I saw the pictures up, and I was like, why is she looking at that? But, so we're doing that?
Pretty much. You ready?
I'm almost 60 years old.
So am I.
Oh my gosh. Well, the first one doesn't look too bad. I don't know what the others look like. I just see one.
I think we can handle it. What you guys think?
I don't know.
Let's go for it.
It's been a long time. So yoga.
Yoga.
Okay. That looks pretty simple.
Position 1, guys.
Oh, I don't like the word position, but okay. That looks. Let me see what he's doing there. Okay.
We can
Legs
do this.
apart. Okay.
And I've got my stretchy candy corn
pants on. Okay, hold
on. You
on.
got your camouflage, Deep South.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wait, glasses.
Okay, here we go. This is okay. You just lay it. I can do that. Yeah, I can do this. I can do this.
Hands out.
Hands out to the side. Deep breath.
Okay, guys. This is it.
You know, I may not get any further than this. This is pretty relaxing. Okay.
I kind of like this one.
I like this position. I could go to sleep right here. The heck with the video. Okay.
I can cut it there. All right, positions.
Okay, so she's...
Wait a minute.
What?
Hold on.
There's more?
Wait a minute.
How many of these we got to do?
Okay, so we've got 8 of these.
Oh my gosh, I ain't done this since I was a little kid.
Okay.
Okay, this is like sitting Indian style.
Pretty much.
And I just
This is number 2, by the way.
This is okay. And we just sit here. Let me make sure I got my hands right. Oh, he's got his arms relaxed. Yours is stretched out, mine's relaxed. Okay.
This is the most we've relaxed in a while.
This is the most I've relaxed in many years. Okay, I can do this. That's 2.
All right, go.
She's doing good on me so far. Let's hope she doesn't go too drastic here, because I don't want. There's no telling what this woman's come up with.
Okay, guys.
Okay, guys, we're gonna move from position number 2 to position number 3 here, and okay.
Can you handle it?
Let's look and see here. Your leg comes up. This goes out. We go over like this, and we just stretch. Okay.
You feel it pulling them muscles?
I do. I feel it pulling everything down my side. I'm gonna need those tomorrow. I may need them this afternoon when I go to feed my animals, but probably. Okay.
That's number 3.
Okay, number 3. She just relocated some of my ribs, I think. I can't even see the screen, so I don't even know what's coming up next.
Okay, so what do you think about this one?
Oh boy.
Let's go this way.
Okay.
This would be number 4. And we're long-legged guys. I don't know.
That's the thing about it is we're both really
tall.
tall.
Way out there.
We're really tall people. You're plenty in the video.
Okay. We're very tall.
We're very tall people. and our legs are a lot longer than our arms.
This is for short people.
This is for short people. Now you sit up straight.
What?
You actually sitting up straight. You're pulling me over.
I'm pulling you.
Oh, don't go much further than that.
Why don't you sit up straight and pull me?
Okay, I got hamstrings that's trying to. Okay, I think you actually take turns. I think I hold you that way for a minute, and then you hold me.
I don't think I can pull you. You don't need to go that far. Okay, so.
Okay.
I can feel everything in me burning. That's not good, guys.
Okay.
Woo! Halfway there?
Yeah, that's
Maybe a little over half? Was that 4 or 5? I don't know.
that's a little tough on the bottom of the legs down here.
I guess so. Let's find.
Wow.
And I did keep my glasses
For
on.
a guy who used to do martial arts, I've been out of it for a long time, guys.
Whoa.
Oh Lord. Okay.
All right.
I don't even know if I can get in that position anymore.
Let's try it. Right here.
Oh, man, you gotta realize I broke both my ankles now. I don't know about
This, I've got to stand this way.
Oh man. Okay.
Just a quick, hey, this is how we do it.
Okay. That's gonna be it.
That's as close as we can get. Sorry, guys.
Oh gosh.
Okay, when you're kind of old, it kind of takes time.
Yeah, when you broke both of your ankles and they want you to straighten your feet out. My feet ain't been straight 15 to 20 years. Oh.
Okay, we got to stand up for this one.
Oh Lord, at least I gotta get back up now.
You'll have to look at the camera.
Okay. I think we're cutting our heads off.
Is this
Okay,
gonna
guys.
This is gonna kill me.
Okay.
You know this.
You're going down, you're doing, I gotta have your hand right here.
This one?
Yep. I gotta have your foot. Hold on. Hold on now. No, hold on. Stand up. You need to go in the other direction.
I'm not sure. I can't see it. Let's try one more time. No, that's the way it's supposed to be.
Okay, just like you're gonna do it. You guys gotta do like you're gonna do a cartwheel.
Yeah, you know how long that's been, and I never could really do a cartwheel.
Okay. Just touch the floor. All I'm doing is balancing you.
And I'm not straight. My leg is not straight. No.
Okay.
Okay,
You the one who
guys.
picked these, it wasn't me.
This leg couldn't go straight, sorry.
Alright, what if I don't know if I can do it. I don't know.
I don't think you need to try, do you?
I don't know. I don't know if you can hold me.
Probably not.
I
You
don't-
gotta turn around.
I don't know if I can do that.
Closest we getting.
Okay.
Just saying.
Okay.
Woo! Closest we getting.
Okay.
We're almost there.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's gonna be.
What are we doing here? Oh no. Which one am I? Am I the guy or the girl?
Right here, sitting.
Okay, I gotta rechange the camera here now.
You sit and face the camera.
I'm gonna sit and face the camera. I gotta do my ankles like that again. Goodness.
The problem is I gotta get that way.
I think I'd come closer doing the other.
I done forgot now. This is crazy. You know that?
Turn a little bit crooked here.
Okay.
Don't knock me in the head now.
Okay.
My ankles are hurting bad.
Okay, no talking. Okay.
All I can do is tell you to climb.
I don't know where my arms are supposed to be in this.
Your arms are supposed to be under your, on your elbows on the floor, holding your hips up.
Okay.
Okay.
if we made it.
Yeah! Alright,
Looks like we made it. Is that a song?
looks like we made it. Okay,
Woo!
I think that's it.
That's a process to get here.
Okay, now we gotta get out of this mess.
The process of getting down without killing us. Okay.
Just don't kick me. Ah! Okay. Tommy, I hope you're enjoying this.
Okay. Are you going to be able to see us?
I'm taller than you, it's probably gonna cut my head off, so hang on. Okay,
This is the last one.
this is the last one. We just wrap our arms, just wrap, looks like.
Yeah.
Like this. Oh, you gotta wrap yours around mine,
Yeah, because you're taller.
because I'm taller. I gotta, oh boy, I'll do a flamingo thing here, I guess.
Yeah.
Hang on. Okay. Oh.
Okay, Tommy Alderman.
Hold on, I can stay. I'm on my left leg. Now you gotta realize, you keep
Okay.
pulling me.
Tommy Alderman,
All right, I have perfect balance.
this is it.
This is it. We did it. Yay!
Yay! Okay, guys,
Okay.
we had a little fun with that, but Danny can't do
Guys.
massive lifting me up.
Let me tell you something. I'm in the midst of passing a kidney stone right now, and I have a hernia.
So we had to go easy.
So we had to go a little bit simple with this. Wanda picked them out. I had no idea what she was picking out.
And I had to go easy.
I'm glad she picked some pretty easy ones.
And I know he has reasonably good balance for that last one because he can walk on
I can walk on
beam.
2x4s way up in the air. I mean, that's just, when I've got somebody else pulling on me.
Yeah, and I don't have the best balance.
Yeah, it kind of makes me where I'm a little bit imbalanced. Because I mean, I can stand up here, I can take one foot, I can pick it up, I can pull it out, you know, wherever I need to go. But it's just,
When you got another person, it
person,
makes it more difficult.
left leg or right leg, it doesn't
So
matter to
the
me. I
deal
can
is-
just, you know.
The deal is learning to work together.
Yes,
Working together. Danny and I worked together a lot,
a lot.
and I worked with him on these because I chose easy ones. I didn't
Glad.
want to.
I'm really
I didn't
glad.
want to push him over the edge, and
Yeah.
with his health issues. So guys, we enjoyed the challenge.
Yeah.
Thank you, Tommy, and you owe us big
Yeah. I
time.
saw how much you said. He would pay to see this.
Yes, he's gonna pay.
Oh, is he? Okay.
He'll
Y'all
have
see
to
me
pay.
holding my side? That's because like, this kidney stone's about to kill me. But yeah, that was pretty interesting. And I used to do martial arts. I mean, that
We've
was the
done a
thing.
lot of crazy things, but that's
Yeah.
probably
That's probably the craziest I've done on YouTube.
I think we need to go back to the first one. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Okay, I think, why don't we just spend the rest of the evening right here?